Hello everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how to make a skin bleaching pack at home. Before going to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Natural Beauty Secrets and press the bell icon. Then you will receive all the notifications from this channel. Beets are high in vitamin C. Beets to be good for the skin, even suggesting that they can protect from signs of aging such as wrinkles. Also, the main benefit is it can whiten your skin and add a natural glow to the skin. Clear dead skin cells, gives an instant glow are some other benefits of beetroot. Rice increases the collagen in the skin, which keeps your skin supple and helps prevent wrinkling. Rice also appears to have natural sunscreen properties. Other studies show strong evidence for the anti-aging benefits of rice because of its antioxidant properties. Let's see what we will need to make this pack. First, we will need 1 grated medium-sized beetroot. Next, some cooked rice, juice of lime or lemon, some gram flour, finally some aloe vera. First, take a clean blender jar, add the beetroot to it. Next, add some cooked rice also. Now, add 2 teaspoons of gram flour to it. Take washed aloe vera pieces, remove the skin of it. Add some aloe gel. Add aloe vera that enough to make a smooth paste. Now blend it well until it's become a smooth paste. Pour the paste into a clean bowl. Finally, add some lime or lemon juice and mix it well. First, clean your face and apply the pack all over your face. Remember that your face should be very clean. Keep it for about 30 to 40 minutes and wash it off with normal water. After washing, apply some aloe gel to the skin. Use this pack 3 times a week. This bead pack can whiten skin, remove wrinkles and fine lines, reduce acne-prone skin, lighten dark spots, make even skin tone, add pinkish. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button below the video and thank you very much for watching.